rolls, tricky to play. That is how I would describe this game, Hiccup. Hiccup is made by the makers of Perplexus. It's a very similar game, a little bit easier for ages 6 and up this time, but still nonetheless a very fun game. In the ball you can see there's various cups, hence the name Hiccup. The ball starts in cup number 1, as you can see right there on the ball. What you're going to do is on the outside of the ball there's arrows telling you where the ball needs to go next. Or if it's easier, just goes simply into cup number 2. What you're going to do, number 2 is right here on the bottom. I have to get the ball to roll into cup number 2 without any hiccups. There are 8 different cups in this little challenge here as you try to bounce the ball from cup to cup. If you want, you can simply start at cup number 2 and keep going so you can practice the game. Like I said, easy rolls, tricky to play. It's a fun game for anybody, for all ages. Oh, and it can happen. I've seen it won before. So come in, try it today, see if it fits for you and your family.